How to remove suggestions from YouTube search bar. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how to remove suggestions from YouTube search bar. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So to remove individual search suggestion, you have to open up the YouTube application. So after you open up YouTube application, tap on your search icon at the top right corner. Now you will see a drop down list of all of your past search suggestions. Select the one that you would like to remove, tap and hold on it. And here tap on remove. And with that, now the search suggestion has been removed from the drop down. But if you want to clear your entire search history, then what you have to do is you have to clear your search history. For that, navigate to your profile at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Under your settings, you have to tap on manage all history. So once you're here on this interface, you will find all of your searched as well as your watch history. So in order to clear them all, you have to tap on delete at the top right corner, and here select your date range. If you want to delete all the time, select the last option, delete today or delete the custom range, where you'll be asked to enter the date range. Then your entire search history will be deleted from your YouTube. That's it. That's how you can remove suggestions from the YouTube search bar, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.